SQL, Structured Query Language, is a standardized programming language used to manage and manipulate relational databases. It allows users to create, read, update, and delete database records. SQL is essential for working with database systems such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, SQL Server, and SQLite. To become an SQL expert, it's important to understand both the basics and more advanced features of the language. Here's a training list of key topics to learn. Basic SQL 1. Introduction to databases. What is a database? Types of databases. Relational databases. 2. SQL basics. What is SQL? SQL syntax and structure. SQL data types. 3. Data definition language. DDL. Creating databases and tables. Modifying tables alter. Dropping tables in databases. 4. Data manipulation language. DML. Inserting data. Insert. Updating data. Update. Deleting data. Delete. Selecting data. 5. Basic queries. Simple select statements, filtering data with where clause, sorting data with order by, using limit offset. Intermediate SQL 6. Joins, inner join, left join, right join, full join, cross join. 7. Aggregation and grouping. Aggregate functions, count, sum, AVG, max, min, group by clause, having clause. 8. Subqueries. Subqueries and select where and from clauses, correlated subqueries. 9. Set operations. Union and union all, intersect except 10. Indexes, creating and dropping indexes, understanding index performance. Advanced SQL 11, advanced functions, string functions, e.g. concat substring, date and time functions, e.g. now, dateadd, conditional functions, e.g. case, coalesce. 12. Views, creating and managing views, updating data through views. 13. Stored procedures and functions, creating stored procedures, creating user-defined functions, parameters and variables. 14. Triggers, creating and managing triggers, after and before triggers. 15. Transactions and concurrency, ACID properties, commit and rollback, isolation levels, locking mechanisms, Hashak performance optimization. 16. Query optimization, understanding execution plans, index optimization, avoiding common performance pitfalls. 17. Database design, normalization and denormalization, entity relationship diagrams, designing for performance and scalability. Tools and practices. 18. SQL tools, database management tools, e.g. MySQL Workbench, pgadmin, SQL Server Management Studio, using version control with SQL scripts. 19. Best practices, writing clean and maintainable SQL code, security practices in SQL, backup and recovery strategies. 20. Real-world projects, building and querying sample databases, participating in SQL challenges and hackathons, contributing to open-source projects involving databases. By following this training list and practicing regularly, you can develop the skills necessary to become an SQL expert.